Old Soviet style park or abandoned park in Sumy under the name Fairy Tale or Skazka. Yeah, this is the central park of the city for children. And as far as I remember, in 2022 or 20, here was some renovation a little bit, but because of war, the local authority has other business more important, of course. So I hope when the war will be finished, they will come again and do renovation again soon. So also I understand that in winter all the most parks look like not very attractive, but I think in winter also there are some interesting things to see. For example, this is you can skate here free of charge on this ice. There are some towers or fortress, but because of some hooligans which do inside of such towers, and because no any security here, so I think administration decided to lock the entrance to these castles. To regret, vandals are international all over the world, and these vandals did the bad business here too, to regret. A lot of graffiti. Another fortress looks like after some enemies attack or attack of vandals, but I think business is in another, not in vandals. I think this is the quality of this facade bricks. Someone bought such facade bricks with very bad quality, and as a result of weather conditions, these bricks is destroyed. Yeah. Some vandals broke the nose the nose of Pinocchio. Also here are some different playgrounds, but because of winter, I think some carousels, we can say, were taken away for in some storage area. I repeat again, in summer there are much more funny, more people, more children, but now when the temperature was, I think I remember, -15, yeah, it's very cold here. Also you can meet here, still can meet here some old figures. No, these dinosaurs are new one. I think they were installed before the war. Yeah. But like this, for example, figure, or like this one, they originally from Soviet Union area. So Fairy Tale Park.